Outsourcing your video marketing the right way. If you are the administrator of a small or medium-sized company, you cannot afford to hire a video marketer who works full-time. This is simply not practical. Luckily, in the super-connected digital world, you have many opportunities for outsourcing your video marketing work. It saves your company money while you can use the experience of a professional in the area. These are 7 benefits that come when outsourcing your video marketing projects. Staff issues won't affect the marketing part. An important key to a successful video marketing strategy is consistency. When your company has complicated events or situations, such as changing staff or some employees going on vacation, all this can cause the interest of your video marketing strategy to take a turn for the worse. By using the services of a marketing services agency, you can count on trusted and highly trained people who can operate your company's video marketing. For whatever reason there is an absence of staff, there should be no gaps in your video marketing plan. You can have an entire team at your disposal. When displaying your video marketing projects, you can use the experience of duly qualified people who can research, create, and implement appropriate marketing strategies for your business. Thanks to being in the industry for a long time, working with many different clients, you can rest assured that all those video service providers would be more than ready to deliver premium quality results at your desired time. More open perspective. Any individual who works personally within your company will no longer perceive part of the critical external vision which can make or break the success of your video marketing strategy. Your staff tend to focus just on production. This thinking can make the search for current opportunities and progressive marketing strategies difficult. That's why outsourcing your video marketing will help you get a current perspective on your marketing strategies. ROI. By hiring someone to work in your team, you cannot base their salary in accordance with your results. When you outsource, that is not the case. If you hire a person with great experience in video marketing, you can be sure that the money you are spending is being invested properly in things that will help your message be transmitted. An agency will use the necessary time and effort to acquire the agreed results, keep you a satisfied and profitable customer. A full-time employee may not have this continuous motivation because they can feel somewhat locked in their position. You get updated brains. A person who was trained in video marketing tactics last year never has the same competitive advantages as a team that is being updated continuously and is up to date with all the new industry updates. This means that outsourcing your video marketing to a specialized team will help you stay ahead of new trends and the vision of video marketing. Either way, the video arena is constantly changing. It is very important that your video marketer does not stop getting involved in these changes and adapts to them frequently. You will be able to focus on what matters most. Probably one of the best things about outsourcing the job to a specialized team is that you and your managers can continue to focus on the things you do best and the jobs that are the center of the business. By doing this, it maintains the vision of video marketing as an autonomous process, instead of incorporating it into the workload and orientation of the company. This will help your video marketing strategy to progress regardless of what is happening within your company's work environment. You can replace them if necessary. Your video marketing agency is aware that without continually delivering a profit on your business, it can be replaced in the blink of an eye. They are aware that they are working in a contract position that can end at any time. This means that they are motivated to continuously optimize your video marketing strategies. This is how outsourcing can help your company acquire the best results from people who have been there, done that, and constantly have to adapt to the new times of the industry since their success depends on it.